Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to cover why you might still be feeling today a workout that you did on Wednesday, or why you might not feel today's workout until about Sunday. What's causing that soreness a couple days down the road is called DOMS, Delayed Onset Muscle Soreness. There are 6 factors that can produce this soreness. The first one can be tiny tears within your muscle fiber, which damage its ability to contract properly, and it also releases specific hormones and proteins, which are markers of damage, and it communicates that your muscle is not healthy enough for excessive movement or loading. So it tells your body not to let that muscle move too excessively through pain sensations. These tears aren't necessarily an injury or a bad thing. They're actually needed to occur for new, bigger, stronger fibers to be built, and you still need to recover that though, so that those new fibers can get stronger. Another possible factor causing DOMS is a change in the fluid pressure between muscle surfaces that can cause fluid retention in or around the muscle. So that can help it feel tight or restricted in their range of motion, or even just a little bit painful. Muscle spasms can also be a product of DOMS, which it's not positive the cause of these, but it's some type of disruption or fatigue in your neurological system. So the nervous system being taxed and triggering that muscle to contract rapidly and not really in a controlled manner. Another product of DOMS can be overstretching or tearing portions of the connective tissue. Sometimes that can be a little bit of an injury, or it's sometimes necessary for rebuilding stronger fibers as well of the connective tissue that covers your entire muscle fiber, connecting them all together or connecting it to your bony structure. There can also be acute inflammation, which is just a temporary flare-up as a response to that damage to the muscle fiber or the connective tissue, and its intentional is to help heal that area. So you really need that inflammation to help heal it up, but excessive inflammation can cause a couple other problems and help and cause that pain that you're feeling with DOMS. The last factor that can produce DOMS is a change in your muscle cells' regulation of calcium. So that's an important part of a whole chain of events that cause a powerful muscle contraction. So if calcium isn't regulated properly, you're not going to be able to get that good muscle contraction. It's going to come off as not being able to lift as heavy, or you're going to feel pain trying to lift heavy because your muscle just is not contracting properly. So any one of these factors, or even a combination of these factors, can be the cause of your feeling of DOMS. What is causing the actual DOMS to occur and all these factors to happen is most often an eccentric contraction, which can cause the greatest amount of that delayed muscle soreness. An eccentric contraction is the movement where you're resisting or controlling against gravity. So if you're lowering a bicep curl, lowering down into a squat, stepping downstairs, or lowering from the top of a pull-up, all of that is your eccentric contraction. Moving in the opposite direction is a concentric contraction, and it's been shown that a light workout of the majority of concentric movements can actually help relieve or prevent DOMS after a pretty highly eccentric movement type of workout, and that can help prevent that DOMS or help relieve it up to 6 weeks. So it's good to keep a combination of those movement types within your workout.